I just went bought a watch with a whole lot of diamonds to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the Chris, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I ball out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, coulda went by the Williams, the Rudy's, a big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for both, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying clothes, that shit still in the packages. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no nigga.
Wait,
what are we doing, Landon?
might scare the fuck out of some kids.
Tay, what we doing?
Scare me first.
What we doing, Tay?
I'll scare the fuck out of you. Make it light up. Landon. I'm about to get chased too. I'm about to get chased by all three. All three.
Are y'all ready? Tay? Tay?
Brennan's got to get yours started because I can't.
You ready, Landon? Wait, look, he's right over there on the floor.
I'm 19 years old trying to have fun. Hold on. Is it on?
Don't prick it.
Bro, it's fucking Halloween.
Like, you can chase me. Hey, watch the car.
God damn.
Crank that bitch, bro. He said, oh no. They scared. Look at Landon. I got stuff in my head. Landon, go on. Hey, look at that dinosaur, bro. Look at that dinosaur.
One lady came up to me. Hey, go down there, skirt. It's Halloween.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
They got a whole TV on that.
Rory, say hey.
You gonna get candy?
Yeah. Come on.
If people want to do this shit, they
Yeah, you
Come on.
How you supposed to be?
You gotta pay attention.
Aurora, go in front of Brennan.
ready?
Yeah.
Rory, come here. Look that way.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you, Rory?
Aurora, tell
Who are you?
Tiffany.
Who's that?
Check his girlfriend.
Oh, really?
How does she look? Show us.
He's coming, Rory.
They just like Russell Brand.
Hey, bro.
Oh, you got a new one.
Come on, pull.
You have another one at the Home Depot. I went to Home Depot real quick.
Let's go. Yo, bring it.
Go.
Bring it. Landon, come on inside here.
Literally. Landon. Robin. Now turn it to us. Eli, do it again, Landon.
Come on, Eli, come right here and do it. Come on. Ah!
Oh shit. Oh.
Dude. Alright, we're going back by the house with the other chainsaw.
Oh, you fucking pussy. I tried. It's been crawling for a minute.
Do it like that. Kids, I said, bitch, it's Halloween. If you don't
Wait,
like
Landon,
it,
what
get
happened?
the fuck inside.
Lennon, what happened? Say it again.
Hold on. I'm fucking 19 trying to have fun. If you don't like it, get your old ass inside. Fuck. The dad's home to scare his 13-year-old daughter. Then the lady come running up behind me. Go down the fucking street and scare kids. Bitch, it's Halloween.
Chick-fil-A, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to hear about my mama go.
You know what happened?